Hi everyone, my name is Rose and this is Adding Up. What are we learning about today, Adding Up?
We are going to count, order and make numbers up to 20 in numerals and words. We will be focusing on the tricky teen numbers.
A teen is a number that is made of one 10 and some ones. Let's explore this further. 11 has one 10 and one 1. 12 has one 10 and two ones. 13 has one 10 and three ones. 14 has one 10 and four ones. 15 has one 10 and five ones. 16 has one 10 and six ones. 17 has one 10 and seven ones. 18 has one 10 and eight ones. And 19 has one 10 and nine ones. The number 20 has two 10s and zero ones. Therefore, it is not a teen because it has more than one 10. Now that we know all of the teen numbers, let's try and count up to 20 all together using the number track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. To complete the next activity, you will need a pencil and some small objects like building blocks, buttons, or dried pasta, 2 blank 10 frames, and 10 small squares of paper to make digit cards. First, write one number on each piece of squared paper so you have a set of digit cards with numbers 1 to 10 like this. Next, fill one of your 10 frames with 10 objects and leave the other one empty like this. Then place the number cards which you have already made on the table face down. Then select one. I have turned over the number 4. Add the number of objects from your digit card to your blank 10 frame to make a new number. I had the number 4, so I will add 1, 2, 3, 4 objects. Then use a stem sentence to describe the number that you have made. I have made the number 14. 14 has one 10 and four ones. Finally, have a go at writing the number that you have made on a piece of paper in numerals and words. Now it's your turn to try this activity. Pause the video here whilst you have a go. Welcome back. How did you get on? That's brilliant. Did you manage to identify the number that I made on screen? That's correct. It was 18.
For an extra challenge, why not make some more digit cards so that you have numbers to 20? Give them a shuffle and see if you can put them in order. You could also write the number name for each number in words.
Well, sadly, it's time for us to go now. Thanks for watching, and remember, practice makes permanent. See you next time. If you enjoyed this concept video, make sure you head over to our landing page, where you'll find videos from fully qualified teachers about English, maths, and a whole range of foundation subjects. Twinkl Concepts. Concepts made clear.